What if I told you there's an animal that never dies? Here are top 4 animals with the most unusual superpowers that will blow your mind. Number 4, the mantis shrimp. This creature, which may look tiny, actually has the fastest punch in the animal kingdom. So strong it can knock the shells off crabs in milliseconds. Number 3, the tardigrade. These microscopic creatures can live in boiling heat, freezing cold, the vacuum of space, and even survive radiation. They can shut down their bodies for decades and come back to life when conditions improve. Number 2, the hairy frog. This frog is straight out of a horror movie. When threatened, it breaks its own bones to create claws that pierce through its skin like Wolverine. Number 1, the immortal jellyfish. When it gets old, injured, or sick, it has a special ability. It reverses its aging process, turning back into a baby jellyfish and starting life all over again.